Hi, I'm Nishal Patel. I'm the podiatrist here at Perfect Skin Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you a bit about the ageing foot and what we can do to help treat bony prominences and corns and calluses using dermal foot fillers. The ageing foot, as with the rest of our body, reduces in fatty padding, especially around the bony prominences of the metatarsals, the ball of the foot area, and around the toes, and we end up with corns or calluses, which can be quite painful when we go for walks. Shoes that used to fit us quite well before are left in the cupboard because they're sore around our toes or the bottom of our feet. Walks that used to be really lovely and enjoyable become shorter, and your feet are killing by the end of the day. And this is all because of the fatty padding that's been depleted. So foot fillers are made up of hyaluronic acid, which is a natural occurring product in our body anyway, and it is also water loving. So once injected into the foot, we only need small droplets in various areas. These droplets come together, absorb water, and they plump out that area of the foot, which then in turn makes it more comfortable for you to walk on. It is done under local anaesthetic, usually an ankle block, unless we are just treating the toes, in which case we can just numb the toe area. It takes about an hour for the treatment, and it lasts about 18 months. As we are injecting in, when we inject into the skin, what it does is it promotes your body to produce collagen and elastin again. So the next time you redo the treatment, you won't need as much, or it'll be a longer period between treatments.